Today we're going to look at what's inside of this box. We're going to work on this box, and I'm going to come back with a quick post review. And spoiler alert, it's diamond paintings. So a few weeks ago, Amy from Diamond Design Co., who has a shop on Etsy, reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try out one of her diamond paintings. And usually when a new diamond painting shop reaches out to me, I'm like, kind of iffy. I'm like, yeah, let me check what you have. But, so I went to check out Diamond Design Co. and I actually really like the diamond paintings that were by Regan Kubecek. If you're familiar with Regan Kubecek, they are an artist who is licensed with, I think, a couple other diamond painting shops. Anyways, so I really like their artwork. I have some kits from other companies by the same artist, and I really like the look of the mini diamond painting set. So this year, my whole goal was I'm going to work on diamond paintings that aren't super huge and are faster to complete, because I think I'm just getting tired from doing super large diamond paintings. Anyways, so I sent Amy my choices and was like, hey, I really like this set. And I was like, I would like to just try this one. And she was like, oh, you can get 2 or 3. So with the diamond painting set from Diamond Design Co., you can either get 2 diamond paintings or you can get 3 diamond paintings. So I was like, you know what? I also like these images. Can you send me these? So thank you very much to Amy for providing these for me. And then I also was like, hey, is there anything specific in the video you want mentioned about your shop? Because usually if companies send me free things or things to review for them, I like to mention whatever they want me to in the video. Like I'll work it in somewhere for the most part. But Amy was very kind and she was just like, no, I just want to get your honest opinion. And I was like, honest opinion? Are you sure, Amy? Because y'all know, I will tell you if something is crappy, okay? We won't even talk about past videos I've done. So anyways, I got a notification that I had a package at my front door. So I went and grabbed it and I was like, I don't know what this is, because it came in a box. Okay. I was expecting diamond paintings to come, stereotypically they come rolled up and then they're just in like a long rectangle envelope with bubble wrap and things like that. That's how I thought these were going to come. But no, to my surprise, they came in this really cool box and I really like the packaging. Yes, it's not like super branded to Diamond Design Co., etc., but I think their manufacturer did a good job with like this packaging. After opening it, I was still unsure. I was like, I don't know what's in here. Is it something illegal? Who knows? But on the side of the box, you actually get stickers and it shows what's enclosed. Just to note though that these weren't the images that I had originally chosen, because when Amy reached out to me, or Diamond Design Co. reached out to me, it was like January and fall and Halloween had already passed, but like whatever, I'm not going to complain. I got free diamond paintings to test out for y'all, so I'm not going to complain about it. But just know that I am fully aware that I am doing Halloween/fall diamond paintings and it's like middle of winter in Canada. So I opened it up. I honestly didn't know what to expect, but the 3 diamond paintings were rolled very nicely separately, and then the drills were packaged separately, and you also get a toolkit. And in the toolkit, it's basically what you expect from a diamond painting toolkit. You get a pen, tweezers, wax, a squishy for your fingers, and multi-placers. And then at the bottom of the package was a printed sheet with the schematic or the legend on each sheet and a thumbnail, and also some instructions on how to diamond paint. So if you're new to diamond painting or you're buying this as a gift for someone, this actually might be a really great gift because it comes packaged nicely, and I am terrible at gift wrapping. So like gift wrapping a box like this would be super easy. And then to my surprise, there's also a label sheet. So there's a label sheet for each of the diamond paintings within this box as well. And then the drills came pre-bagged, which I really like because sometimes I just hate kitting up, or sometimes I don't have containers to kit up a diamond painting in. So with the drills and baggies, it's really easy. You don't need to do extra steps to actually work on a diamond painting. You can just pull out the drills and work on it. So the first diamond painting I actually pulled out was called Binks. Again, this is all by the artist Regan Kubecek. It's 3 pumpkins. It's super cute. At the top of the canvas, we have Diamond Design Co. But I noticed, and if you notice, if you're watching, you notice, there's no schematic on the actual canvas itself, which I thought was interesting. But honestly, I think that's totally fine because this diamond painting, or all the diamond paintings, are 30 by 40 centimeters, so they're not huge. And usually I run washi tape along the edges of the diamond painting of the drill area, and usually that covers up the schematic anyway. So if you're someone who likes to have their schematic on their diamond painting, this mini set that I have does not have the schematic. I don't know about their other diamond paintings though. Then the next one I opened up was Little Acorn Fairy. This one is so cute. I really love the artwork on this one, honestly, and I can see myself working on this in the fall or like around Halloween as well. And then the last one I opened up was called Ominous, again by Regan Kubecek, and if I'm not mistaken, all of these diamond paintings measure 30 by 40 centimeters, and there's 5 special drills to them. So we'll take a look very quickly at the special drills here. And upon inspecting these drills, I'm not 100% sure, but I think that they are acrylic. And for me personally, I prefer resin drills, especially when it comes to squares. I was like, I really hope there's not going to be a lot of gapping in the squares, because my past experience with acrylic drills has not been the best, So I fully admit, I can be honest, I fully went into working on this diamond painting with the expectation that the gapping was going to be bad. And I was sorely wrong. So I ended up working on Ominous, and I can honestly say, like, this was fun. And for someone who doesn't diamond paint consistently like I used to, this was a lot of fun. I really like the size of the canvas. I think it's perfect. It's not overwhelming. Again, I think for a beginner, or if you're gifting this to someone, this set would be ideal. The gapping wasn't an issue at all. Like, a very surprise for me, spoiler, surprise for me, there was not an issue with the gapping, honestly. Like, I'm very happy with how this small section that I did turned out. And I can see myself probably doing these diamond paintings closer to fall or Halloween, like I said earlier. So in closing, I would recommend it just based on the set that I got. I'm very happy with the canvas. I had no issues with the glue. I had no issues looking at the label sheet or the printed sheet while I was diamond painting. I like the special drills. I like the placement of them. I think it's very cute. I think the placement of the drills adds like a little extra sparkle here and there, was sprinkled throughout. So I think that's really awesome. And I like the fact that they have smaller diamond paintings, okay? I just like the fact that they have smaller diamond paintings. So if you want to check out Diamond Design Co., I'll have everything linked down below, including a link to their shop and including a link to the diamond painting set that I reviewed in this video. You can actually choose from 6 different images, which I think is really cool. Like, you can customize the box to what you want. And I don't think shipping took very long at all. Like, I told Amy, like, here's my address, these are the ones, and it was fairly quick turnaround. Like, I don't recall I don't even recall, like, you know how when you place an order and you're like, whatever happened to that? I didn't have that thought at all. They just showed up and I was like, what's in this box? So shipping was fairly quick. So if this video is helpful to you, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's on either side of the screen, and hit the notification bell as well. I post videos about diamond painting, about crafts in general. I try different crafts. So if that's something that you'd be interested in, make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.